Oh wow. So now Melita, she's now obsessed. Okay, not obsessed, but now she's going back to her ex husband or boyfriend, I don't know, but to her ex to ask for employment. And she is actually sexually doing it. Did you see how she was flaunting herself around him, saying, "Okay, I think that you should return a favor." Matwale hai na kumareti that guy, and we are not saying it because Mina, what I see, I look at it some. I'm looking at someone that is using whatever that she has to get what she wants. Okay. Prior to that, she called Kwezi and couldn't get hold of Kwezi, and then she left a message to say she wants to do the beauty pageant, something to model for her, and then for clothing range, and then well, obviously Ukwezi is going through the most right now because kubukeka ngathi uzoya ejele, but the most important thing that she's worried about njengamanje mntase yindoda. Muna phanda hanke phambili kwayo yonke into indoda athi lalela indaba yokuthi wena unomfazi hey into very offside and ukare wena ne uitse vele gore ke ata mo lo tlo flonta msadi ya hao wena ditsebe. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Samdi Madekwana. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hiphukile hingongwini so namuhlakano ngoba hina waskim sam hikuma kuroshlaf samsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Peterson is not here to play. But one thing I know about Peterson is that he always loses every battle. So Ndofara Mbilunga Chanda asking myself if this time around he will be able to succeed and actually go to the end goal. Because, well, every time we were on the edge of the seat thinking with Mr. Peterson, he is going to actually see this through and it's going to happen. Pata pata, kwang, 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 kwang. He's lost everything. So right now it looks like all the ducks are in a row, but the thing is because wow, with the history of his, it does not look right. Umamagam yabona ke sengiyakhohlwa ubani lo mfana lo who's disabled now ukhuluma Ivy speaks to her son to say, you know what, this thing that you're doing, I don't think you are doing the right thing. You should actually speak to your therapist because you're frustrating your leg. Uzama ukhamba and akuhambeki. Well, he is actually taking baby steps, but he does not want to take baby steps. He wants to take man steps, and that way uwile Ma'awa ubabake ubab says you are going to break yourself, and then decided to tell Ivy. Personally, I think Ivy ubonda nontete home. Bese umelita ubonda no Fefo. And then which means to each their own. Omunye no munye by default kastala sona se ukutela ko muning wa high. Waibona kur iya kaitaba. Because at some point Melita is gonna kiss and then izothi andinixolelanga kube ndinixolela xa ndonixolela uba ndinixolela nizokhala kastala sona se khona gore keng ke default setting. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a very big thumbs up.